Greetings, Panasonic vac fans. I haven't had a chance to do a whole house carpet cleaning with this lovely wine-colored Performance Plus Platinum and then weigh the results. So let's do that. I have this EnviroCare HEPA bag blown out. It's very clean, but definitely used. So let's see what the initial bag weight is. Maybe it's easier to go this way. Okay, we're looking at an initial weight of 38.2, I'll say 38.28 grams. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum all that this can vacuum that is carpet-wise, and it doesn't go under everything for sure. There's many things it doesn't go under. So it's going to be comparable to all the other full-size uprights, but not a canister with a small power nozzle. Just finished the whole house carpet cleaning, and if you notice, I have the Panasonic on the left and the Recaro 8850 on the right. And these two machines are pretty similar in many ways. One is they both have metal rug plates. Second one is they have metal brush rolls. The third one is they have very similar CFMs. This one was, say, around 65, and this one's like, I think, 71. But this brush roll rides more on the top of the carpet, and this brush roll rides a little more into the carpet. This one is very easy to push forward. I mean really easy to push forward, like a Kirby with the tech drive on. That easy to push forward. This one, not so much. So the 8850 did 9.56 gram pickup, and under the same conditions, let's see what the Panasonic does. We started out with 38.28, and I'll take this measurement as 47.04. We'll do that. 47.04. I'll just turn that off for now because it'll bounce around a little bit. Minus 38.28, and we have 8.76. And that's pretty close to the 9.56 of the Recaro. But the Recaro picks up a little bit more. Well, it's got a little more CFM, but the biggest difference is the way that the brush rolls sit into the carpet. The Recaro digs a bit more, and it shows when you actually go to push it forward. All right, so thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.